Good morning, students. In this class, we discuss on Thevenin's theorem. Statement of Thevenin's theorem is a linear active electrical network consisting of independent or dependent current source, dependent voltage or current source, voltage or current source, voltage or current source, and linear bilateral network elements can be replaced by an equivalent circuit consisting of a voltage source in series with resistance, where voltage source A or source voltage A is the voltage across the load terminals or open circuited voltage across the open circuited load terminals, and RTH is the resistance seen from open terminal sites. So in this way, statement of Thevenin's theorem is a linear active electrical network having independent or dependent either voltage source or current source, and its elements are bilateral. So this type of circuit can be replaced by an equivalent circuit which consists of a voltage source in series with a resistance. So simply we can say that if there is a linear active network which consists of bilateral elements, this is load resistance AB terminals, and this is linear active network having bilateral elements, linear bilateral elements. So this type of network is replaced by a simple network which consists of a voltage source, that is VTH, with a series resistance, that is RTH. So this is Thevenin equivalent circuit. Thevenin equivalent circuit. In this circuit, if we have to find the value of current in resistance RL, then first we remove this resistance. So AB terminals are known as open circuit terminals, and voltage across AB terminals is VTH, and resistance from AB terminal side is RTH. Now there are some steps to solve network problem using Thevenin's theorem. Next is steps to solve network problems using Thevenin's theorem. So first of all, remove the load terminals. Remove the load terminal. Remove the load network or resistance and mark terminals as AB or XY anyway. Second is find VTH across AB terminals using any conventional method. Using any conventional method. Any conventional method. Any conventional method means we can use mesh analysis, node analysis, etc. Third step is to compute RTH, replace all the independent sources by their internal resistance. By their internal resistance. It means voltage source short circuit, current source open circuit. Open circuit means when we compute RTH at AB terminals, then replace all the independent sources by their internal resistance. Simply, if there is voltage source, we short that terminals, and there is current source, we open its terminals, or simply we remove the source. Next is step 4. Draw Thevenin's equivalent circuit Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Thevenin's equivalent circuit. In step third, we draw Thevenin's equivalent circuit which has a resistance and voltage source in series. This is Thevenin equivalent circuit. Next step, reconnect load resistance. Reconnect load resistance. Now, in step 5, we reconnect the load resistance. And last is solve the simplified network. Solve the simplified network. So now this is simplified network. We can solve this network. If we have to find the value of current in load resistance, then we can find I is equal to V upon RTH plus RL. So in this way, we can solve the simplified network using Thevenin's theorem. Next, we take a example. Question is, there is a network which consists of a voltage source of 12 volt, resistance, this is the question, 3 ohm, 6 ohm, 7 ohm and 7 ohm. Now in this question, we have to find the value of current in 7 ohm resistance. We consider it RL equal to 7 ohm. And we have to find the value of current in this resistance using Thevenin's theorem. Find current I in RL using Thevenin's theorem. Thevenin's theorem. So first of all, we remove the load resistance. So our network is 12 volt, 3 ohm, 6 ohm, 7 ohm, and these terminals are open circuited, and we mark AB. Now in second step, we have to find VTH. So VTH is voltage across terminal AB. So this is VTH. Now in this circuit we see that current in 7 ohm resistance is equal to 0 because these terminals are open circuited. So this VTH is the voltage across 6 ohm resistance. So this VTH voltage is equal to the voltage across 6 ohm resistance. So we can draw here. So using voltage division rule, VTH is equal to 6 divided by 6 plus 3 into 12, that is 6 upon 9 into 12, 2 and 4, that is 8 volt. So in this circuit VTH is equal to 8 volt. Next, step 3, for RTH we replace voltage source by its internal resistance, means we short the voltage source terminals. So now the simplified circuit is 6 ohm and 7 ohm. 7 ohm AB terminals and RTH. This is 3 ohm. 3 ohm, 6 ohm and 7 ohm. Now this is simplified network for RTH. We calculate RTH. So for RTH, these two branches are in parallel, and after that it is equal in series with 7 ohm. So RTH is equal to 3 parallel 6 plus 7, that is 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6 into 7, that is 3 into 6 divided by 9 into 7. So here 2 plus 7 is equal to 9 ohm. So here RTH is equal to 9 ohm. RTH is equal to 9 ohm. Next step, we draw Thevenin equivalent circuit. Thevenin equivalent circuit. Thevenin equivalent circuit is voltage VTH is equal to 8 volt, RTH is 9 ohm. Now in step 5, we reconnect the load terminals. So we reconnect the load resistance, that is 7 ohm. Now we find the value of current I. So I is equal to V upon RTH plus RL. V is equal to 8 volt, RTH 9, RL 7. So 8 divided by 9 plus 7, 8 divided by 16, that is 0.5 ampere. So this is the procedure to solve the network problem using Thevenin's theorem. So thank you for today class.